Just complaining to myself that I haven't found any deer antlers up here in Elkwoods yet. I must have stepped on that one. A little tight. There had to be one around here somewhere. I mean, geez. Just out picking up some stragglers, keeping the legs going. Oh, trying to pick up some stragglers. Been a while today, but we got one. Looks like before the squirrels got to it, it was a sweet one. Big old turkey foot. Pretty cool, ain't it? Just like a turkey. But the base is chewed off, and they got about a knot all the way through there. That stinks. That would have been a sweet brown. Oh well. Hopefully there's some more. Working this hillside. Been a little while since I found that last turkey foot one, but I got one there. Another old one. It's kind of some weird stuff, but there's a deer sign in it, so let's see what we got. That's nice. Hillside gets a lot of sun too, so I figured maybe there'd be something in here, but I'll take an old one. Kind of a weird, like, kind of base on him. Looks like he had a couple of sticker things there. Got a hole. Weird little guy. Cool. Keep on trucking.